Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the fun and interesting bits of guidance and information that come in during my workshops. I hope you enjoy them. In the confidence of recognizing that when we show up as our authentic self and we allow people to see us and make up their own mind about us, without us being hooked into the outcome of that, then we can be who we came here to be. Powerfully. And when you do this, you model this for other people. People see that, they feel that energy, and even if they can't put their finger on it, they leave your presence going, I'd like to show up like that. How do I do that? You demonstrate it every single day of your life. This is how you become the visible light worker, to use Doreen Virtue's words. She talks about the invisible light worker, and I remember learning that with her and thinking, what about the visible light worker? What about when you walk through your life, your everyday life, in that energy of light worker and being visible, so that every action that you take has an impact and a reverberation to the people around you. You smile at people. You open the door for somebody. You ask if you can help someone. You put your arm around a stranger. These are all the little ways in which you impact people and actually change their vibration at a cellular level, because they respond to that. And then they take that with them and they give it to the next person, and it becomes this beautiful virus that spreads exponentially. Right? And this is where we become in ownership of how we are and how we feel and how we interact with other people, recognizing that there is an impact there. If you're in a grumpy mood and you lash out at somebody, they're going to take that to the next person too. So being mindful of, is that the impact I want to have today in the world? If I'm feeling grumpy, why don't I take care of that instead of trying to give it to somebody else? Because it's actually not mine to give to them. And then when you recognize the mood you're in and you do the work you need to do to understand what that mood is all about and move through it, not suppress it, but navigate it, move through it, acknowledge it, honor it, and say, okay, good, I've done the work. Now I can go out with a smile on my face and be the difference that I want to make in the world. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.